Divide 7/8 divided by 1/4. Whenever dividing two fractions, you're going to use the rule keep, change, flip. What does that mean? That means keep the first fraction, change the division symbol to a multiplication symbol, and flip the second fraction from 1/4 to 4/1. Now we are multiplying two fractions. When you multiply two fractions, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 1 is 8. Now you may notice that both of these are divisible by 4, which means we can simplify this fraction. So let's divide the numerator by 4, and let's divide the denominator by 4. And when we do that, we get 7/2. Now, this is still an improper fraction. I want to turn this into a mixed number. How do I do that? Well, use long division to find out how many times 2 goes into 7. 2 goes into 7 3 whole times. 3 times 2 is 6, and now we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1, and with no more numbers to drop down, that 1 becomes our remainder. How do we turn this into a mixed number? Well, the quotient of 3 becomes the whole number that lives out in front. The remainder of 1 is going to be your new numerator, and the old denominator of 2 is going to stay your denominator of 2. So our final answer is going to be 3 1/2.